Google Sheets are superb for mathematical calculations, organising your data, creating charts. Just like any other Google Doc, they're great for collaboration. You can share and you have all the permissions like you do with all the other docs. Google Sheets has even more useful functions, little tools that just make life easier. If you've ever been given a list of names that you really need to split into first name and last name, this function has you covered. Simply highlight the list and paste into your column. Once it's highlighted, click on Data and go to Split Text into Columns. It'll ask you how you want to separate this. I have a space, and voila, there we have all of the names in first name and last name. Another super sweet tip from XMA.